Meteorologist, it looks like it's better growing weather for flowers, right, Brett? Because there's rain in the forecast.
Yeah, the sunshine was good for them and for all of us earlier on this week, but we are going to see some wet weather returning as we head on into the overnight hours and into the weekend. A look at earlier on this evening here in Anchorage, and we've had gray skies out there much of the day after a sunny start to this Friday. But gray sky is going to be sticking around for Saturday and Sunday. And I know the big talk earlier on this month, the first 2 weeks of the month, were how cool this July has been, and did see that bit of a warm-up this week, and helped us improve a little bit, but we are still on pace to tie the all-time record for coolest July here in Anchorage. We are now up to an average temperature of 54.4 degrees so far this July, and that would tie the record set in 1920, which was the coolest July ever here in Anchorage. And unfortunately, it does look like we are going to see those temperatures cooling off as well as we head on in the next couple of days with that wet weather returning. So still a good chance we could break that record, even though we still have 11 days left in the month. Precipitation-wise, we are seeing some wet weather down towards the southwestern part of the state, and that moisture heading towards south central, and we are going to see the rain begin to pick up later on tonight in our region. Temperature-wise right now, still pretty comfortable out there. 60 degrees at J-Bear, 63 at Merrifield, 62 on the KTVA weather deck, 59 up at Glen Alps with those winds picking up a little bit. Gust up at Glen Alps in the past hour up to 33 miles an hour. Rest of the region into the valley, Talkeetna at 57, 62 in Palmer, 55 in Kenai, 53 in Seward, 55 in Valdez, and 66 into Glen Allen. Look at the big picture. Area of low pressure off to the southwestern part of the state. That's what brought the cloud cover back into the picture here in south central Alaska today. That low all the way back towards Unalaska right now, but as we head on into tomorrow, we're going to see that low race up the western coastline. We'll see some wet weather from the Bristol Bay region, the Aleutian Peninsula, or the Aleutian Chain rather, Alaska Peninsula, and also here into south central, that rain breaking out later on tonight. And the rain going to stick around through the remainder of the weekend on into Sunday. The clouds hanging around. Good chance for some wet weather as well on Sunday, and temperatures all weekend long back down in the 50s to lower 60s. So hopefully you're able to get out and enjoy some of that sunshine and the warm weather we saw earlier on this week. Forecast for tomorrow, down in the southeast, partly cloudy skies, and 68 in Juneau looking great there, but wet weather from Whittier down towards Kodiak with highs in the 50s. Some showers in Unalaska and Bethel. Sunshine in the afternoon hours up towards Nome. A few showers into Fairbanks, and then Prudhoe Bay. Mostly cloudy skies with highs in the upper 40s. On the Kenai Peninsula and throughout the Prince William Sound, we'll see a wet go of things for tomorrow. Temperatures only making it up into the mid to upper 50s, and then on up towards the valley. Gray skies in store for a good chance for rain throughout the day with highs near 60 degrees. Mid-60s over towards Glen Allen with nothing more than an isolated shower into the Cop River Basin. Here in Anchorage for the overnight hours, gray skies, rain beginning to develop after midnight with temperatures cooling off in the mid-40s to near 50 degrees, and then on into tomorrow, gray skies, good chance for rain at times with high temperatures warming up to near 60 degrees, and going to stay cool on Sunday as well. Good chance for showers with highs near 60. Highs again near 60 degrees for Monday and Tuesday with more showers possible. Good news is towards the middle part of next week and the latter part of next week should dry out a little bit again with temperatures creeping back up into the mid-60s on into Friday. You're watching CBS 11 News and Weather. We'll be right back.